Greetings, wonderful viewers. Today's video is a game changer as we delve into the sweet yet perilous world of sugar. Picture this: a candy bar, a cupcake, or perhaps a fizzy drink. These treats are often irresistible, a sugary symphony dancing on our taste buds. But what lies beneath their appealing facade? Well, it's an alarming amount of sugar. These processed sweets, though delightful, are packed with sugar, a hidden menace that can wreak havoc on our health. From sneaky weight gain to the increased risk of diseases like diabetes and heart disorders, the effects can be serious, and sometimes even life-threatening. However, awareness is the first step to change. By understanding the potential risks associated with high sugar consumption, we can make informed decisions about our dietary habits. So before you reach for that next sugary indulgence, take a moment to ponder. It's essential to be aware of these risks to make informed decisions about our well-being. Now let's dive into the exciting realm of smart substitutions for those sugar-packed treats. Imagine being able to satisfy your sweet tooth without the guilt or the health risks. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not. Consider the rich and indulgent world of dark chocolate. By choosing a bar with a higher cocoa content, you're not only getting that much needed chocolate fix, but you're also treating your body to a dose of antioxidants. But what if you crave something a little more refreshing? Fresh fruits paired with a creamy serving of yogurt could be your answer. From the vibrant sweetness of strawberries to the tropical delight of mangoes, fruits bring a natural sweetness that's hard to resist. Add a dollop of yogurt and you've added a probiotic punch to your sweet treat. It's a perfect blend of natural sweetness and a dose of probiotics for gut health. Speaking of nature's wonders, let's explore the realm of wholesome indulgence. Imagine biting into a juicy, sun-ripened strawberry or savoring the tropical sweetness of a perfectly ripe mango. These are not just treats, they are nature's own candy, offering a burst of sweetness without the guilt. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber, fruits like these are a delightful way to satisfy your sweet tooth and nourish your body at the same time. But the sweetness doesn't stop at fruits. Let's turn our attention to the humble nut. Almonds, walnuts, cashews, and their kin offer a satisfying crunch and a subtle sweetness that can curb those cravings in a healthy way. Plus, they're loaded with essential nutrients like heart-healthy fats, protein, and fiber. So the next time you're seeking a sweet treat, reach for nature's candy. Incorporating nuts such as almonds or walnuts into your snack routine provides a satisfying crunch along with essential nutrients. Why not take the reins of your sweet destiny? Creating your own treats allows you to control the ingredients. Imagine being the master chef of your very own kitchen, whipping up delicious delights that not only satisfy your sweet tooth but also nourish your body. Have you ever tried making energy balls with oats and honey? They're surprisingly simple to make. Start with a base of rolled oats, add in some nuts for that satisfying crunch, mix in a bit of honey for sweetness, and voila! You've got yourself a treat that's both tasty and good for you. You can even add in a sprinkle of dark chocolate chips or dried fruit for an extra burst of flavor. And the best part? They're completely customizable to your taste. Want to add a dash of cinnamon or a spoonful of peanut butter? Go for it. It's all about making sweet treats that you love without the guilt. It's a delightful and nutritious alternative to store-bought sweets. Now, it's your turn to join the movement towards healthier choices. Imagine the power of our collective decision to opt for nature's candy over processed sweets. Picture a world where the exchange of ideas fosters a culture of wellness. So, let's start a conversation. What's your favorite healthy alternative to those sugar-packed treats? Is it a piece of fresh fruit or perhaps a homemade delight? Share your go-to alternatives in the comments below and inspire others on this journey to better health. As we wrap up this sweet exploration, remember that making small changes in our sweet indulgences can have a big impact on our overall health. We've journeyed through the hidden dangers of processed sweets, discovered healthier substitutes, and even delved into the world of homemade delights. If you found this enlightening, don't hesitate to hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe for more health-conscious content. Until next time, take care of yourself and indulge wisely.